Well, hi, it's Carolyn Grimm with Accounting How To. Sometimes I like to take a moment and just sort of look back over 35 years of my time in the accounting profession and get kind of a high level view of what that pathway has looked like for me. So I thought it might be helpful for anyone who is considering a career in accounting to kind of get a feel for of the insights that 35 years in the profession can bring. What I've seen is that there for me has been four distinct phases in my accounting career. And I think this is similar for most people going into accounting. So the first part is learning the skills. So that first phase is all about learning the basics of accounting, how accounting works, and then how to do the day-to-day tasks that go along with doing accounting. And then I think we move into a second phase, and that is the applying of those skills and the increasing of those skills, because accounting is a knowledge profession. So the more you know, the more valuable you are in the marketplace. And then I think the third phase is more of a management phase. And that's where you start to manage other people doing the accounting things. So you move into a supervisor role or you move into a management role, controllers, CFOs, those types of positions. And then for me, the fourth phase of my career is the teaching phase. So my goal right now is to teach the next generation of accountants. And I do that through teaching college and also through my blog and my website. Now, for other people, that fourth phase might look very different. Not everybody wants to be a teacher. So it may be that you change your focus in your accounting career and you start working with nonprofits, or you start working with a nonprofit that you really like, or you start your own business. So there's always like some sort of a last phase there. And it could come at any point in your career. Not everybody wants to be in accounting for 35, 40, 50 years, right? So there is some sort of a next step for most people, whether that's going out on their own in their own business, doing a complete career change, becoming a teacher. So there is some sort of fourth phase to that career. And for some people, it's just, I'm out of accounting. I don't even care what I do. I'm going to go sit on the back porch and drink a cup of tea. There's that phase as well. But regardless of the path that you take through an accounting career, the really great thing about an accounting career is that there are so many pathways. So you can choose a path. You can decide that you want to go into public accounting and become a CPA. You can go into private accounting and become a management accountant. You can be a bookkeeper. Bookkeepers are fantastic. They are the backbone of the entire accounting profession. So a lot of great bookkeepers doing a great job. Love my bookkeepers. For other people, that pathway may be that they work in accounting for a short period of time and then they go do something else with those financial skills. You will never be at a loss if you have financial skills. There are always going to be opportunities for people who have good financial skills. But regardless of the pathway that you choose, the number one thing is getting that knowledge and continuing to increase that knowledge. And so if you jump over to my website at accountinghowto.com, you're going to find a ton of helpful resources to both increase your skills, help you to succeed in accounting, and help you along the way for whatever career path you take in accounting. Until next time, stay balanced, my friends.